In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the SUMIFS functions in Microsoft Excel. SUMIFS is perfect when you need to add numbers only if they meet multiple conditions. Think of a table with sales amounts, regions, and product categories. With SUMIFS, you can total just the numbers that match, for example, a specific region and a specific product at the same time. Start by clicking the cell where you want the result to appear. This will be your output cell. With that cell active, type equals SUMIFS, followed by an opening parenthesis. As soon as you do, Excel expects information in a specific order. First, provide the sum range. This is the group of numbers you want to add up, such as the sales amounts column. Click and drag to highlight that range, then type a comma to move to the next part. A quick tip: the sum range and all the criteria ranges you'll select must be the same size and shape, or Excel will return an error. Next, select the first criteria range, the column that contains the field you want to test, like region. Highlight that range and add another comma. Now Excel needs the first criterion. Click the cell that holds the specific value you want to match, such as a cell with the text for the region you care about. Referencing a cell keeps your formula flexible. If needed, you could also type a value directly, like East in quotes, or a comparison like 500 for numbers. Now choose the second criteria range by highlighting the third range in your dataset, such as the product column. Add a comma again. Then click the cell that holds the second criterion, like the product name you want to filter by, and type a closing parenthesis. Press Enter to calculate. You should see the total that meets both conditions. If you change either criterion cell, the result updates instantly. A few helpful notes as you work. If your result is 0 when you expect a number, double-check that your criteria exactly match the entries in your data, including spacing and spelling, and confirm that numbers are stored as numbers, not text. If you see an error, make sure all your ranges are aligned and the same length. For reusable reports, consider locking references with $signs so the ranges don't shift when you copy the formula. You can also use wildcards in text criteria, an asterisk to match any characters, if you need partial matches. That's the core workflow. Select your output cell, enter equals SUMIFS. Provide the sum range, the first criteria range and its criterion, the second criteria range and its criterion, close the parenthesis, and press Enter. With this, you can build precise totals driven by exactly the conditions you need.